Maybe you've seen those commercials with the cute cartoon camels talking about investing. Or perhaps a friend keeps raving about this app that grows your money while you sleep. Intriguing, right? But before you jump in, there's one crucial question. Can you even use raiz invest? Let's face it, navigating the world of finance can be intimidating. Age restrictions can feel like hidden hurdles, stopping you from taking control of your future. So, buckle up, because today we're cracking the code on raiz invest's age limit and everything else you need to know about getting started. Why age limits matter in investing. Age limits exist for a reason. Investing involves risk. Your money gets put to work in the stock market, and while the potential for growth is exciting, there's always a chance of things going south. That's why governments and financial institutions set age restrictions to ensure users understand the risks and are legally able to make investment decisions. So, how old do you need to be for raiz invest? Here's the answer you've been waiting for. To open a raiz invest account, you need to be at least 18 years old. This applies whether you're in Australia, where raiz originated, or Malaysia, where they've recently expanded. Being 18 signifies reaching adulthood and having the legal capacity to enter into financial contracts. It also indicates a level of financial literacy and understanding of risk that's crucial for navigating the investment world. But wait, there's more. Raiz invest and your kids. While you can't directly invest for someone under 18 with raiz invest, they do offer a fantastic feature called raiz kids. This allows you to set up a separate partition within your raiz account specifically for your child's future. Think of it like a virtual piggy bank on steroids. You can contribute spare change, set up automatic deposits, and watch their savings grow over time. Here's the best part. When your child reaches 18, they can easily transition this money into their own raiz invest account and start their own investment journey. Raiz invest, the takeaway. So, there you have it. The age limit for raiz invest is 18, but with raiz kids, you can still get your little one started on the path to financial independence. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Raiz invest is a fantastic tool for those just starting out, with its micro-investing options and low fees. But before you dive in, do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and set realistic expectations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.